One step. That's all it takes to get your FTMO account. But to pass the one-step challenge, you need to understand the 4 core rules. Let's break them down. The first rule is the profit target. To pass the FTMO challenge, you need to reach a simulated profit of exactly 10% of your initial capital. So, on a $100,000 account, your target is $10,000. All your positions must be closed before the target can be reviewed. And the best part? This rule only applies to the challenge phase. Once you move to the FTMO account, the profit target disappears. Rule number 2, maximum daily loss. Your equity, which includes your closed and open trades, swaps and commissions, cannot drop below this limit. But how is it calculated? Now let's take a $100,000 account as an example. Every midnight Central European Time, we take your account balance and calculate 3% of your initial starting capital. If you start the day with $100,000, your daily limit is $97,000. If your equity drops below that red line at any point, the rule is violated. This applies to both FTMO Challenge and the FTMO account. Rule 3, the maximum loss limit. For a $100,000 account, your overall equity can never drop by more than 10% of your initial capital, in this case, $10,000. But pay attention because this limit is an end-of-day trailing limit. It is recalculated every midnight based on your highest end-of-day account balance. If your balance grows, your safety net moves up with it. But if your balance drops the next day, the limit stays exactly where it was. It can only increase, it never decreases, so protect your downside. But here is a massive advantage. This rule fully resets with every new phase and after every reward withdrawal. Let's say your highest end of the day balance reaches $112,000. Your max loss limit locks at $102,000. But once you take your reward, you get a fresh account and your limit resets back to $90,000. Finally, the best day rule. This rule is simply about proving your consistency, and it says that the result of your best trading day should not account for more than 50% of your positive day's profit. Let's say you are trading a $100,000 account. You have an amazing day and make $6,000. Did you break the rules? Did you fail? Absolutely not. You are still completely safe. But again, your most profitable day can never represent more than 50% of your positive day's profit. It is a cap on a single day's impact. So if your best day is 6,000, it's simple. You just keep trading on other days until your positive day's profit reaches at least $12,000. You don't fail for having a huge win, you just keep trading. 4 rules, pure discipline. Track everything right in your Account MetriX. Are you ready for the one-step challenge? Prove your skills today.